Hey guys, we're going to where? We're going to Amorab. I'm gonna show you the road. The road, my kid. Your road. Bye bye guys. Guys, we're about to eat the pizza we recommended yesterday. We're about to eat it because pagdali kayo mo, agad tag-Jollibee. Ano na ba lunch? Kaya kung panos na mo, kung tag-Jollibee. Hala, kaya iya. Binahol naman na. Thank you, Shakey's. Shakey. Since 19 estimated. So we're eating pizza right now. Now, with Amigas. Wala na ko gidala. Sabang ko ate. This is si Spider-Man, guys. Yes, chef. Yes, chef. Tapos may Jollibee na. Si Jollibee dito. Tapos dali kayo na si Spider-Man. Bye-bye. Guys, as requested by my mom, we are gonna mag-stop over mi sa Panguil Bay. Sakit. Oh, din siya guys. Ang hangin guys. Sumana siya. Namuanan namin sa taga. So, yeah. Hindi ko guys, again, ako'y fear of heights guys. Hindi ko kaya ko siguro ang mga kawan.
Saday.
Wait sa ha. Di ko ganag-hi. Ito mga klaro pag yun mo sa ubos sa mukha layo eh. Ayoko na ni. Bye-bye! We're pila ka minutes? 4 minutes away. Sound say title ato. Hi guys! So, naanami sa ayun, ang bagal. Sa hindi siya static. Para naladay guys. Then ako dito. Tada! Yeah, nanamedari guys. We have arrived. We have arrived pala. Your destination. Hello! Ay, ilom na kayo. Pasulod na ta. Ayun.
Yata mo ko alam, yung mga pag-ahit na ako.
Man!
Wala yung golf cart?
Buang ba?
Piligid niyo ba?
So, we're about to enter. We're entering now.
Oh my God.
Hala, mo na siya inland villa. So, mo na siya guys.
Ang dagat?
Dito naman
So, unahan yacht.
Dire, nim na.
Ah, dire.
So, munaog daw mi diri kay ang amo ang mga gamit.
Hindi pagyapon.
We're here. We're now in here. Mawala mo kung mag-vlog ko eh kay yamanin kayo ang place. So, yan ako mabalik niya sa alright guys. No kayo guys. So, we're here and time check. 1:47. And then 3 p.m. kami check-in. So, yeah. So, nato silang bathroom. And oh my gosh, it's so nice. So, this is our picture. Oh, sorry for my face. So, naman sa... Kasi tawagan niya golf cart. Yes. And then, nanguta namin, nag-inquire mi silang pickleball and then free daw siya if nag-check-in. So, we're gonna play later. And my papa is there. Oh, pag-picture na. Okay, so biyahe namin. Biyahe namin guys. Lain siya. Lain ang POV. Basta na sa lagi pero it's okay. So yeah. Then mo, taray ng pikolan oh. Look, right. So, tagduha ra kita ilang court. For dagan siya, oh.
But,
Pat niya, eh. Sorry. So, ayun. There ilang breakfast. Let's go po! Ibaba nila kami. Muna siya, guys. Ang Inland Villa. Ayun. Ano yan? Aray ko. Aray.
Lawag lang.
So, muna niya. Ito niya siya. The Maldives of Mindanao. Maldives. Maldives.
Oo, so Maldives.
So, muna ilang mga inland villa din. Muna yung-focus ako ate. Actually, isa naman may that's the pool. Ano ako. So, kani siya. Kay, so, ano yung isa naman kagabi. Ani guys, winon sa ko. Morning. Bye-bye. Ayun. So, diba, dali, napakita na lang kanyang sulod. So, first, nandali, ang kato, main fridge. So, nag-plant yung coffee, water. So, nasa may cups. The sink, fire extinguisher, and then their trash bin. Sure, and mo nilang aircon. So first, yan na. So this is their room. Mama, ilang kwarto nila, mama. Yeah, so we have all it. And this is the... Ay! Only lang view. And then, shh, quiet ha. This is their bathroom. Only lang closets. And then we have the secret there. And then this is their bathtub. And this is the shower. Pwede ka mag-drama. Pwede ka drama nila. And, yan na, be. Then, this is their... Uy, nag-vlog ko na. So, yeah. Kaya. Pakuyungan ko ni Papa, nitago siya sa kuon, mag-agod. So, this is our room. So, diha si... It's either... Diha si Jet or diha me. This is the TV. This is for the closet. Ano naman. Muli ko gadali ay. And this is their... closet na naman. And then, nice ni siya for like... Dugay ka magstay, uy. So, this is their one. And this is the view for our room. That one. And then this is your view. That's the pool. And for the bathroom, it's the same. So, nakay ko andali. And then you have your shower here. Parang pwede ka mag-andyan, muni-muni. And then this is your usual toy, bowl, or whatever. So, yeah, that's the room. Good check. So, bye guys. Picture sa amin. Gahapon. Ay, ka-tournament kahapon. Gahapon to sa adlaw.
Kasi napay dito rin.
Hi. So, we're waiting for the sa Tagulat. Golf cart because mag-tour me around the sea. Under the sea. So, nagdula may yung pickle and then sakit ang kamot so kana siya nga Martes happiness. And I don't have any makeup on so tuyo dyan ni ating wala ko makeup in picture. Ano nga doon sakit? So, now, guys, finally, mag-tour na mi sa ako. I'm gonna show you. See? This is my sister. Gisapot siya. Pag-tour daw kayo lang pick. Ay, ang card. So, yeah. This is Sunset. So, dira mi. Dula mi dira ganina. Pickleball.
Namoy time dito sir.
Okay, guys. Hindi sila ka na.
Ito ang puntaran dito sir.
Siya, oh.
Hindi na English sir ba?
Ay, wala pa din.
Hotel na siya ma'am. Muni hotel na 6 story. 6 story.
Ano pong kwento nila? Nanay dolphin? Nay dolphin? Ay, per night dolphin ko yan. Na, sila yung dolphin nga kuhan. Sapot na po siya guys. Mutano na gani. Oh, na ilang plano din eh. Ang ganda ng plano nyo actually ha. Ang model. So that's the kanisyo kayo mga kuan pa man ni man. Tura. Tura oh. Manila mga villa right here. Ay, bawal di liguan nila dagat. Money siya. Bawal di kaliguan ng dagat. Sabi ko pwede. Sabi gina ko pwede. Oh, Italian restaurant. Nalagi doon. Tara guys, Manilang inland. I know. Manilang mga dagat delas. Sandila. Ay, hawi na kayo guys. Ay, bye-bye guys. So, namin guys. So, this is their ocean villa. Honestly, no, kay lang. Pinaro dito ng dolphin. Sunset na guys. Sunset. It's beautiful, isn't it? So, yeah. Sigot kay ko and such. Yeah, actually, like that. We're back in our inland villa and update. Dagan kayo kauling ako kayo siya guys. Pero maka-conscious pa kayo mo storya. So, mag-picture-picture na namin. That's maliko ko with my dyed hair. So fun. We went outside.
Hello guys.
Because we're going to
Wala pa lagi gadula.
mas nindot manggod mo dola o gabi. I'm gonna show you ha. So this is my mom. This is my sister. And that's the pool. And dito ilang pickleball court there. So dagan kayo. So we're gonna eat the cake. And I think I'm gonna go for a dip. Gamay. Because my arm hurts. So ano sila yung buffet there. Pickleball. And the pool. Naging! Hey everyone, so I just woke up and I'm gonna wash my face. Because we're gonna make up. Oh my gosh, my hair. I don't know what to wear. I'm gonna make apples to them with the pickleball court. I'm gonna seal all black. Okay, kung gano'n yung sasabihin mo. You want? No, kung gano'n yung suot doon. What if ka na? This is This is a fit check. This is a fit check. That's a fit check. And she's fixing the camera because I'm moist. So it's so cold.
Sulod ang gamay.
Inside there. Anyway, sulod yung moist. Check. We're on our way to the Gatoa because freedom breakfast buffet, and I think we're gonna dip. Uy, wala na naon sa akong buhok, no? Wala na naon sa akong buhok. Ay. Ha? So, siya, kanina pool is under cheap, and it's, I think it's the biggest pool in town. So, yeah. Adi, agyanan diri yung kitaan ni Gabida. Bantog di ay mabaw kay diri. So, yeah. Uy, libre man siya kaya. So, eto na po kami ngayon. Wala na ko guys. Ibabay na guys. Papalis na yung meal vlog. It's my meal vlog. Bye bye. So, I tried the espresso.
Abi sa punta na kung baat ko. Ikaw.
Honest espresso. Dili naman pwede. Hindi ka tag-aagaw sa pool.
Dito sa swimming pool, dito. Hagdan ba? Dito.
Yeah, we're about to
Dito
swim.
Kuan.
Nagka-plans lang sa namin. Ah, wala kang wait. Hi. I'm about to change my clothes. Tinapos akong buhok. But it's fine. This is my fit. Here. Have this. Kita naman sa dapit ko ng vlog. Then I have my linens. So we're gonna order food. Wait. Hello, ma'am.
Andre.
Hey, vlog.
Thank you, ate, sa ako ang outfit for today.
Ay, hindi po pang shoutout ang vlog ko. So, this is our photographer.
Mama, want to meet dito sa main lobby pang. Ba't may kape?
This is my fit shot.
Kape!
Uniti. Uniti.
Diba? Lapon?
Nara.
Pagdali na pang!
This is... I-down gamay, please. This is a fit shot.
And the baldi.
We're in their main hall. And we ordered some drinks and then bread. And this is their main hall. Kita na tamo gahapon na you don't need tour anymore. Long beef. May... Yeah. Ito mga kasama ko, nagre-reklamo sila. That's the... Yeah. Can you say, it's complicated? So this are the things that we ordered. Marb sunrise, Oreo, caramel, meat bread, hot choco. How was it? How was it? How was it? How was it? Bye everyone. We're going home. We're going home. Wala may kabot-tawag 24 hours. We're going home. No TikTok and everything. Waiting for the go-kart. We're going home now. Say bye.
Pala si Kuya. Sige, video to.
Thank you po. Bye vlog. Wala na 24 hours. 18 hours na eh. Thank you. Bye, Mara. Goodbye, guys.